Today's topic is resistor color coding. That means we have to find the value of the carbon resistor. Okay, so there is a color coding technique by which we can find the value of the carbon resistor. Okay, black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white. Black is 0, brown 1, red 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, grey 8 and white 9. And we have tolerance band: gold plus or minus 5%, silver plus or minus 10%, none means there is no color, means plus or minus 20%. Usually the carbon resistor will be like this, like a small ballpoint pen refill of roughly 1 centimeter in length. So you all know ballpoint refill, roughly 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter in length. And the size may slightly increase or decrease, depends on the wattage rating. Okay. Now, so this is a carbon resistor. The first band we have brown color, second band black color, third band red color. Okay, then the last band, there will be some distance gap between the tolerance band and these colors. So this gap will be slightly big. So this is gold. This tolerance band can be gold, silver, or it can be nothing. Nothing, or we can have some color. So generally we have gold, silver and no color. Okay, so this is first band, this is second band and this is third band. Afterwards this is tolerance band. Okay, you should not go the other way. Tolerance band should be always at the right hand side. Now we have to find the value of this resistance. First color is brown. What is the value of brown? Brown is 1. So you write 1. Then black. What is the value of black? 0. You write this 0. Then you have red. Red means you have 2. 2 means it just place 2 zeros. Okay. So the value is 1000 ohms. Actually we have to write this as first is black, first is brown, so 1. Second is black, so 0 into 10 power red. Red means you have to put 2. So this becomes what? 10 square, 100. 100 into 10 is 1000. That's what I told you. You write the first band as it is, second band as it is, and the third band. Suppose if it is red means you are putting 20. Suppose if it is orange means its value is 3. Therefore you put 30 ohms. So this 1000 ohms can be written as 1 kilo ohm. And the last band is the tolerance band. We have gold. You all know that gold tolerance is plus or minus 5%. That means 1000 ohms. If you take 10%, it is 100 ohms. Therefore 5% means it is 50 ohms. So 1000 value plus 50 ohms or 1000 ohms minus 50. That means the value can be anywhere between 950 to 1050. Always don't expect it should be 1000. The value can be anywhere between 950 to 1050 ohms. That's why this tolerance band has included. Okay, right. So it can be 950 ohms, 975, 980 or 1025, 1010, anywhere. But it will be definitely within 950 to 1050 ohms. So if you want a precise value, no sir, I want exactly 1K. In that case what we have to do? Yes, it is also possible. But those resistors are trimmed by laser trimming method. So this is one of the advantages of laser. With laser trimming you can sharply, finely trim the value to exactly 1K. But the process is somewhat complex. So the price of the component will be very high. Okay, but it is possible. So exact value is also possible. In that we have to go for laser trimmed resistors. Okay. Now we will see one example how to. Suppose the value of a particular carbon resistor is 68 kilo ohm with a 10% tolerance. So what is the first color? 6. 6 is blue. So first color will be blue. Okay. Then 8. 8 is grey. Second color will be grey. Now I want a K. K means 3 zeros, 1000. 3 zeros. 3 zeros means 68K. That means what? 68000. That is 68K. So now I want to introduce 3 zeros. So you will be putting red or orange. If you put red, it will be 6800. It will be 6.8K. So the correct answer is you have to put orange. Okay, orange. And they have asked for 10% tolerance. So the last band, tolerance band will be silver. Finally it will be silver. Silver is 10% tolerance. So first color is blue. We will verify blue. Blue is 6. Grey. Grey is 8. And orange. Orange means 3 zeros. This much ohms with a tolerance of silver, that is plus or minus 10%. That is 68,000 ohms, or this can be written as 68K. So if I say 10% tolerance means 68,000, in that you have to calculate for 10%. Okay. 0000, 6,800 ohms. That is 68,000 plus 6,800, or 68,000 minus 6,800. So the value will be anywhere between these two values. That is 68,000 minus 6,800 to 68,000 plus 6,800. So the value can be anywhere between these two limits, because the tolerance of silver is plus or minus 10%. Hope you have understood the resistance color coding techniques. This is the type generally we are using, but we have a 4 band with a tolerance band, 5 band with tolerance band, that is also used. You can check out in the internet for those fine details, or I will put those details in some other videos. Thanks for watching. Nandri.